hospital, a 60-year-old man starts feeling breathless and dizzy. There is no way to tell if it's an emergency because there is no doctor nearby, no hospitals and no health services available. So now, in the next situation, we have a survey of ambulances of national highways by India Today. That in West Bengal there is only one ambulance for 1 lakh people, and in Kerala, Bihar and Jharkhand there are ambulances in points for per lakh people. So now imagine, in these situations there enters a compact and affordable robot via single click. It is equipped to check all the basic vitals. So now,
Here I, Manan,
I Rudra
And I, Arnav.
and I Simran,
are going to introduce our medical assistant robot powered by Raspberry Pi and integrated with medical sensors.
to bring lifetime diagnosis to the front line.
So this is our Medibot's dashboard. As you can see, it's logging real-time vitals from the real medical sensors like heart rate, BP and SpO2 and many more. As you can see here, we have digital blood pressure sensor with serial output for Arduino and Raspberry Pi, Max O2 sensor for SpO2 detection and a non-contact temperature sensor. So what it does is it analyzes all the heart rates, all the vitals, basic vitals of the patient, and if any ups or downs, it sends an SOS signal via the internet directly to the patient's emergency call contacts or the registered devices. Now where our Iris AI comes in. It's an local AI with medicinal knowledge which is self-built and fully built on PyTorch and MulePy dependencies. Let me give you an overview.
Good afternoon. I am Medibot. Please speak your symptoms. What's your name?
As you can see, our AI is asking for the patient's name and his symptoms. It logs in the history of the patient and the data coming from here and sends it directly to the paramedics and the hospital from which the patient is registered or the bot is registered. So the doctors and paramedics can also see the patient's live vitals, and it also has an USB camera, inbuilt USB camera to see the patient's actual live feed, cam feed. So what it does is our AI analyzes all the basic vitals, and then as per the voice input of the patient, like for example, I have an headache. So if I type headache or even speak it via the voice command, it gives me ibuprofen as in medicine by while checking my and analyzing my basic vitals for any other distributor. So now as you can see, here we have a full 3D globe of our Earth. So this is our smart GPS navigation system. It automatically detects the bot, so where it is and gives a small red, green or yellow dot marker to the patient. We are using smart GIS system for the patient, which actually flags the patient as in green, yellow or red dots based on his vitals and all the basic necessities. So the doctor can easily click on the dot and check the patient's vitals, and even the paramedics or the recruiter of the bot can see how many patients are getting treated. Our cesium ion can also list the number of ambulances available in the area to reroute the ambulances based on first come first serve and priority logic based on the criticality of the patient, which makes ambulances much faster and gives them a smart and safe way for navigation. Now, all of these systems are running on an OS called SVOS, which is a protection system for our whole system, so it does not crashes or gets any viruses or gets a middleman attacked by someone, which is called an Sudarshan Vastra OS. which is built on a Debian type system and based on Linux 2.4 VOS. Now my friend will explain you further on.
We have integrated our Medibot with this quadcopter, which it contains smart GPS navigation system, which enables rapid drone delivery via single click.
So we've also got collaboration recommendation certificate from one of the desired institutes. As a recommendation certificate from Pehchan Ek Safar NGO of IIT Ropar. So this is one of the certificates of collaboration from National Rural Livelihood Mission (NRLM), which are on a goal to save lives in rural areas. So we have also gotten collaboration certificate from Abhi Infra, which are guiding us on the infrastructure and the business license pathway.
Our goal is to bridge the healthcare gap using LLM integration and accessible components. This robot has potential to save lives, promote preventive healthcare in underserved areas, especially in India.
Thank you.